I hear you have leftovers from Thanksgiving and you want to cook something with them. Let's cook casserole with turkey. So now, time to put some oil in our hot pot. Just put a little bit, maybe like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. And you want to mix it around. And let's grab something to stir it. Okay, let that heat up a little bit. And then now, let's add our onion, aka onion, yellow onion to be exact. Now you want to mix it. Keep cooking this down until translucent and we'll be back with you. So we cooked our onions until translucent. So now it's time to add in our turkey. And there is our turkey. So let's stir it around. Add a little bit of water. And cook that a little bit for like 5 minutes and we'll be back with you. So this is what it looks like now. So now we need to add in 1 can of cream and mushroom soup. Popped in like a big old blob of jelly. Let's get all that good stuff from the can. Almost got it. There. Now you want to stir it around and add water to how much you got. So add water because you want it to have a smooth texture like a sauce, a thick sauce. So do that and cook it for 5 minutes and we'll be back with you. We tasted the mix and it needs some more seasoning because it was already seasoned, but it needs more seasoning. So we're adding 1 teaspoon of gunpowder spice or Tony Chachere's. Just sprinkle it on there. And 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika. Stir that well until mixed and combined, and we'll start putting together the casserole. So now we're gonna add some corn to it. Don't add much. Just do maybe like a half a can or less of corn, and cook that for a few minutes on low, and we'll be back with you to make the casserole with this. Let's start assembling the casserole. First, we grab the chip. And make a crust at the bottom. Grab some more chip. Filling around. Okay, so now let's get a giant spoon and put this stuff in the casserole there. move this out the way. Smoothing it across. Now, add cheese. More strips for the crust. Now, time to add cheese on the top. There we go. So, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees for 30 minutes and cook it for 30 minutes. And we'll be back with you for the taste test. Time for the taste test. Got a nice chunk of it. You can definitely taste the cream mushroom soup, the turkey, and all that good stuff. It's really good. So, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the like button, and turn on notifications for subscribing. And subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!